Once upon a day, there was a Cleo
Oh, I love this story. Go on.
who worked night and day.
The end.
Guess that wraps that one up. Shall we dance into Devotion 37? Eli the priest had accused Hannah of being drunk as she prayed before the Lord. Hannah explained that she was not drunk at all. She was pouring out her grief before the Lord. Realizing the mistake that he had made, Eli then spoke much kinder and more sensible words to Hannah. 1 Samuel 1:17. Then Eli answered and said, Go in peace, and the God of Israel grant thee thy petition that thou hast asked of him. Now please pay attention. As of this verse, absolutely nothing circumstance-wise had changed for Hannah. One verse earlier, she was barren, and in this verse, she was still barren. One verse earlier, she had no child, and in this verse, she had no child. And yet, look at her reactions to the words of Eli. 1 Samuel 1:18. And she said, Let thine handmaid find grace in thy sight. So the woman went her way and did eat, and her countenance was no more sad. Her countenance was no more sad. The look on her face had changed. She no longer appeared broken-hearted. She appeared happy, and yet her circumstances had not changed one iota. Is it any wonder Hannah, for thousands of years, has been regarded as a woman of faith? If we had read that she had a child and then her countenance was no more sad, there would be no faith in that whatsoever. Hannah believed before her circumstances ever changed. To be a man or woman of faith.
I want to be a woman of faith.
You certainly can be. Just trust God each and every day.
I want to do the finish. Have a blessed day, meowsers.
Last word.
Last word.